Need a fun and simple art project that will keep your kids busy for a while? We got you. Go ahead and hit your kitchen. This is GoodCook Cool Kitchen with a really fun, simple craft to make your own crayons. Remove all of the paper from your old crayons. To do this, here's a really easy trick. Soak them in water for a bit, and the paper comes right off. Place parchment liners inside of your muffin tin. Then place a mix of crayons inside of each cup. And you want to kind of pick a couple of different colors. I like to pick 3 or 4 different colors that look good together. All right, put it in the oven at 275 for right around 7 or 8 minutes. It melts fast, so keep your eye on it. Once they're melted, let them cool. All right, then just pop them right out of the little wrappers, and you've got all sorts of cool new colorful swirl crayons.